This is maybe your first time going here, but there is something that feels familiar about this place. A place that welcomes you as if you were our brothers and sisters. You will have this nostalgic feeling at the moment you set foot in here. You can relax because you will not feel out of the place. We will present you with a journey that will feel like returning to your own home. Let us take you to the most unforgettable moments that you will ever experience. But first, enjoy the rich taste of Aceh spices. Feel the cool breeze from our ridges and the refreshing splash from our shores. The further you go, the closer you will see our beautiful nature. More importantly, the warmth from us. Witness our cultural heritage through the art of our traditional dances and embrace the emotions as well as the historical stories within it. How can you miss the adventurous part of the sea while you are in a place surrounded by it? So, let us explore the broad sea of Aceh Besar. You can enjoy the voyage by taking a boat from island to island. After sipping your daily cup of Aceh coffee, we will guide you to the infinite beauty of our sea. Like a lighthouse, we will ensure that you can have a safe and pleasurable adventure. Either the sea or the land, of course, always offers us unexpected challenges. But you do not have to worry about it, and we will also enlighten the endless beauty of our natural landscapes for you. In the mood for challenges, you can always get sweaty any way you like here. From exploring caves, horseback riding on the beach, adventuring in a kayak, trekking on the savannah, surfing with your favorite surfboard, off-road driving on a dirt bike, or even something friendly, like having a barbecue picnic with your loved ones. In the end, it is all about togetherness, and we will always accompany you through all your wonderful experiences in Aceh Besar. The light of Aceh, wonderful Indonesia.